Alright guys, hi. Peugeot 207 back for replace arm and the ball joint. So let's start quick job. For 3 bolt, 1, 2, 3, but always something going wrong. So life, like you see. Yeah, we try loose everything clean, fresh, see what's going on. Okay, ball joint loose. We see that. I don't know how drive shaft, maybe we need as well loose. Okay, bolt it's loose, but this guy no understand, so I need to take drive shaft off. This one go out, probably enough space, but drive shaft needs to go out that crazy. Okay, it is more room and take out for that guy. Knock off and we see where we go. Bolt out, fancy. And we tray out, take out. Like you see, it's a roll bar, so probably we need to put back this guy or really take out. Bolt one ball joint, don't very loose, but the grease go out. Probably that no pass MOT, but we have nap. We put new one. Looks the same. In Volkswagen you can replace just ball joint, but Peugeot you need to change all arm. Guys, this one cannot alignment, so I screw in 1, 2. Now it's 2 nuts, and yeah, and this guy come back. Okay, Peugeot nice. Don't really but fight. Jack up here, make sure it's ball joint fit very well. Tight this guy, and yeah, almost that side done. Alright guys, like you see, jump in every bolt tight when it's position work, jack and jack position work, tight every bolt, put wheels, that side it's done. Alright, guy in, it's a lot black, this means it's good. Steering, but it's alright. Yeah, put wheels back, it's like black everything, we do a lot job. Ball joint because no past MOT. I'm last time tell owner it's ball joint, it's no great condition, it's grease come out, but yeah, it's there. Arms new, put wheels back. Peugeot have to wait for next day. I'm go eat something. I'm work all day. So, but one side left, and for you guys actually the same day. Okay, day second actually. For you the same. I don't know if I tell you. Do you know? Yeah, it's another arms replace. Okay, ball joint split as well, CV, like you see. Here it is for that tools, like here, and here it's torques, so clean the press and try loose the bolt. First one who won't give up. Fire, and try catch on the top, we see how going on. Okay, fire always win. Like you see, slow but go. Bucket, maybe gearbox oil go out. This guy, we need split to this bolt take out because no room. Yeah, catch, still warm. Yeah, fire always win. Hey guys, go out. Yeah, this moment I have access to take this bolt out. This moment take arm and put new one. Check, of course. And the same. John grease go out. No really loose. It is loose, but no that very bad. But this bushing it's very bad. Like you see, it's twist. So we take new and check new. Two arms, it's snap, it's par. So should be alright, but anyway we check. The same, maybe this guy it's bigger, it's this, but fit it is tight. This one it is loose, but mean it's no fly, so this one go in. So this guy and this guy, it's when no come, just put in and screw under, then come down. Don't use hammer. Tight when we jack up. This moment some oil from gearbox come out, so we need to put back again. This is French car, so if you manipulation this one, dry shaft got out and gearbox oil go out. So this moment this guy come back here and ball joint. Guys, like you see, lock the bolt tight, the ball joint, everything tight. Just remember, jack up for position where wheels work, then tight every bolt. We have gearbox oil come out some, we need to put in, and almost done. Okay guys, after last work it is okay, no very dirt. Pocket it's dirt, but this is bucket like you see. Will be great to replace, but owners no want put crazy money for this car. Just past MOT. We need to take airbox off to have access to a gearbox. No much oil go out, but anyway must go in. Gearbox oil plug, it's this one. Just pull at this hole like you see, and we put oil there. Oil everywhere. Owners know, so he must decide to fix this one or not. We put oil back. So alright guys, Peugeot done, must back to MOT. Yeah, on the front everything new. So we before replace the shock absorb roll bar, the mount, shock absorb mount, bearing, the bearing for Mark Bergson bearing, this moment arm, brakes, brake line. I'm heard some noise, owner say this is front, but for me left, right, something to noise may shock absorb, but anyway it is no in advice. I don't know, maybe it is, but I don't read advice yet. So but car come back to road, probably now past MOT because fault, because ball joint arm, it's new, back to our road. And remember guys, passion, love, family, just VAC family, enjoying work for Peugeot, make money, but drive just Volkswagen. See ya later guys.